I am getting my makeup done by my favorite makeup artist, Carrie Wilson, for TV today, which is just a treat. So while she was here, I was going to take advantage of her and pick her brain on a few questions. How do you know what to get rid of when you're purging your makeup?
That's a great question.
I mean, you know me, I say get rid of anything, but I want to hear it from the expert.
So anything that has a broken lid, anything that's crushed and cracked, but you're like, oh, but I love this color. Well, it ends up making it a horrible mess. And I'm sure you've seen that in someone's makeup bag before, right?
Yes.
So just go get a new one.
Okay.
I mean, it's not that big of a deal, right? Go get a new one. And I always say anything that's over 3 years old has got to go.
Okay.
That is the absolute max.
I want to hear from you. What is the easiest way to just simplify your everyday makeup routine?
So I think everyone should have a core look. A core look you can go to Publix in, or you can put a gown on and look beautiful. And it's really just like your look, emulates your natural tones, your coloring. Everybody's a little bit different as far as their makeup personality. So I may wear less than you, right? And that's fine, or you may wear less than me. But if you find that core look that you can just put on without even thinking about it, doesn't matter what you're wearing, that's a great way to simplify. Just finding like the perfect neutral eyeshadow, the perfect blush, the perfect lipstick for every single day. Until you have that, you can't really spread out and do other things, right? It's kind of like wearing the right undergarments, if you will. As long as that's right, you're good to go. So it just needs to be one perfect eyeshadow, one perfect eyeliner, one perfect brow color,
right,
one perfect foundation.
That does make it so simple.
And then the right tool too. So if you have that, I suggest, and I know you're the organizer, to keep that core look in one area.
Yes.
Then if you have extra eyeliners, you just place things like all your liners in one place, all your extra lipsticks in one place.
And just like that, all done and ready to go talk about my favorite topic, which is organization. Thank you, Carrie.
Thank you.